chini. 12 differences. Increasing. Kumbe kunaenda hapo sasa. Today I've decided to do a vlog. I don't know how to do it yet. But I will have to try. Going downstairs. I am downstairs. A lot of water. Water everywhere. I'm going inside. I'm going out of the house. It's above my knees. A lot of water. It has flooded everywhere. I can even fish here. This is the parking lot. So, if you have a car, you have to be ready to visit your mechanic because some of the cars will be damaged here. A lot of cars will be damaged. Small cars, even big cars, which have a low clearing area. Clearing surface. I don't know it's called clearing surface or clearing area. Small cars will be damaged. Their engines. Like this one, it's nearly drowned. It's nearly drowned. Even this one, Tuareg is not safe. It's low, it's quite low. It's quite low. The exhaust pipe is taking in water. Let me see Ano. Let me see if Ano is safe for this. Not safe yet. The exhaust pipe is in the water. I'm still swimming. Still walking. This one is called surf. It is still low. What? I thought this is a big car. But water is entering the exhaust pipe. I think it's coming from the other side of the fence. There are generators to pump water outside, at least the 30 but the water is too much. I don't think if it can match the inflowing water. Let me locate the source of this water, see where it's coming from, because it's a whole estate just flooded. This is a saloon car. That one I know it's drowned. The engines will be damaged with the water. It's a playground. It's playground. Oh, I almost fell down. There is a barrier here. I stepped on something. I nearly fell inside. Yeah, now I've started experiencing strong currents. I think this is the source. Maybe these buildings were built in the middle of a river, and that is why the river is taking its course. I stepped on something, nearly fell down. It's a barrier. Oh, I nearly fell down again. I have to stop from now because I can't predict where I'm stepping. It is coming from the other side. There's a forest. I don't, it's not a forest. What is it called? A swamp. There's a swamp which exists on the other side. And now it's raining. But all this water, this is the cause of the water. This was supposed to be a river. It was supposed to be a river. It was supposed to be a river. I think the estate was built where a river is supposed to be passing. A big drainage system. And that is why all this is happening. Maybe, maybe not. But all we see is water. Lots of water. Maybe with the time, I don't know if it can weaken the foundations of the buildings. Maybe, or maybe not. We don't know yet. All this is a parking lot, but it has been deserted by vehicles. They are parked far away because most of them get damaged. Lots of water. A lot. I'll try to get some fish here. If I step on a fish, I'll make sure I catch it.